Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to find the security. Now let's scroll down again and find the device administration. As you can see here we've got the option unknown sources, so in order to activate that just tap on the switcher here. And as you can see we've got the information and we've got the warning actually that your device and personal data may be more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources. It is because the third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data on the risk. It's so you're doing it on your own responsibility. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see right now it is active, so from now on your device will be allowed to install something from unknown sources. Obviously you can turn off this permission whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.